Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll see a very simple stitch called seed stitch. We are going to work the seed stitch in this petal shaped pattern. First we'll finish the outline using stem stitch. I am using stem stitch. You can also put this outline with back stitch. And after finishing the outline, now we are putting the seed stitch. It is nothing but small stitches to fill the spaces in our pattern. Short stitches like straight stitch, and this is called seed stitch. We just put seeds like stitches inside the pattern, and you can disperse the seeds as you wish. As this is a petal, I am putting small seed stitches closely in the center of the petal and disperse it towards the outer side of the petal. I have uploaded so many videos regarding the embroidering stitches. If you have missed my previous videos, go to the links which I have given in the description. I hope you are clear about the seed stitch now. It is very simple stitch which looks like seeds in our pattern. In any pattern you can apply this, and you can use this stitch for closer filling as well as for dispersed filling. If you like this video, share with your friends. If you have any doubts, please do comment. I am using the 6 strands for this seed stitch. In any pattern you can use to fill the pattern with this seed stitch. It will look very beautiful. See, to the center of the petal you can use more seed stitches so that the design will look thickly filled. I am posting more and more videos on embroidering. If you like and subscribe for my channel, you will get notifications. And this is the back view of a stitch. I hope you all like this video. Thank you for watching.